Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a user registration form using PHP. This is a registration form. Now the account has been created successfully, and this will check if the account is already created, and it will prevent that user already exists. Let's try again with another. This is the login form. This will check if the username or password is invalid. These are the accounts created in the database. This is the member page. We have logged in successfully, and you can use any HTML codes or show any messages here. And when we click on the logout link, the session will be destroyed and redirected to the login page. You have to create a database user underscore registration and a table login, and the table contains two fields, username and password, to store the username and passwords. This is the registration page. Here we have a form, and on the submit button we will run this code. First we will connect the database using MySQL Connect. Use your host name, DB username and DB password here, and after connecting to database you will select all rows in the login table where username equal to the username which we have entered. If it is 0, that means the user does not exist in the database. Then we will insert the username and password as a new user into the login table, and we will print account successfully created if the result is 1. If there is any issue with the insert query, the result will not be equal to 1, so it will echo failure. Now we have created a new account using the insert query. If the username is already exist in the database, then we will check if the number of rows is equal to 0. Then it will not be equal to 0, so we will print that username already exists. Please try again with another And in the login form we have a form, and when we click on the submit button we will execute these codes. He will connect to the database, then we will select all rows from the login table where username equal to username and password equal to pass. These are the values which we have entered in the form. If num_rows not equal to 0, that means there is no row with the username and password, then we will show a message invalid username or password. Otherwise, if the account is a valid one, then we will fetch the username and password into two variables, and we will check the username equal to username and password equal to password. These are the username and password values from the database, and these two are the values which we have posted from the form. Then we will start a session and set a session variable says underscore user equal to username. We will store the username in the session variable and redirect the page to the member.php page. In the member.php page, always we will start a session in the first line, then we will check if is it not is set of session underscore user. If this variable session variable is not set, we will redirect to the login page. If it is not set, that means the user is not logged in. If the user is logged in, the session will be set. If it is set, we will show the content HTML welcome username. This will print the username, and there is a logout link here, and we will show any message here. When we click on the logout page, we will go to this page, and in this page we will start the session first, then unset the session variable says underscore user. Then we will destroy all sessions using the session destroy function, and we will redirect to the page login.php here. Thanks for watching this video.